Mark, can you believe we're here?
I know, it's incredible. Just like the stories we used to read as kids.
As they ventured deeper, they encountered a sparkling waterfall hidden behind curtains of vines. Sarah gasped.
Look at that, Mark.
It's like a secret paradise.
How was the video? If I tell you this animation video was made in just 5 minutes, do you believe me? Your answer will be no. But trust me, this animation video was made in just 5 minutes. You can do it also, even if you don't have any proper knowledge of animation, because I made this animation with only AI. From writing the script and character design to creating the full animation, all are done by an AI tool. In today's video, I am going to share the step-by-step process of making a full animation with AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Friends, I made the animation video with Artflow AI. It's an amazing AI tool for making animation videos. Many content creators use this tool for making storytelling videos. Today we will use it for creating a stunning animation video. Let's start the journey. First of all, we have to create an account. To do this, come to the left panel and then click on the Sign Up button. Now you can create an account with your email or Google account. After creating your account, select your role. As I am a YouTuber, I am selecting YouTuber. Then select your creation purpose. After that, select where you hear from about Artflow. Alright, your account is ready. In the dashboard, you will find some sample stories. You can watch them. Okay, click on the new story to create our own animation video. Now there are two options. The first one is to generate a story with Artflow and the second one is to start with your own story. Let's start with the first option. Now you have to select your audience. I will go with 5-year-old children. Next, enter your video purpose. I will enter Teach Children About the Sea. After that, select a genre. Let's select children's stories. Now we have to give a story idea. For example, I am writing. A shark fights against a giant to save the sea along with other fish. After entering your story idea, hit the Generate Story Outline. Alright, Artflow generates a story outline for us. It has generated 3 characters for us. You can customize the character name or intro. Then the main story outline. If you don't like the story, you can regenerate the story by clicking the Try Again button from here. And to create the video, click on the Create This Story button. Now select the aspect ratio. There are 2 formats. If you want to create videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, then select the vertical format, and if you want to create videos for YouTube, then select the horizontal format. On the next page, you have to select a visual style. There are so many visual styles available here. I will go through with cartoon style. After selecting the visual style, Artflow will generate your character's visuals. Here you can see the character's outfit. You can customize them by changing the prompt. I won't change anything at this time. Okay, now click on the Continue to Storyboard. Artflow will take some time to generate the storyboard. And the storyboard is ready. You can see Artflow has generated images with our character and background visuals. It has generated 2 images for every scene. We can use one of them. Even you can generate new images for any scene. Just click on the image icon from here. Now select your character, character activity, and then background description. After all is set, click on the Generate button from here. And it will generate 2 new images for you. Now let's see the narration. Click on the narration icon from here. Here you will find the narration text. You can change or customize the text. After all is set, click on the Export button from here. Artflow will take some time to complete the process. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, our animation is ready. Let's play the video.
In the vast expanse of the deep blue sea, a young shark named Finn dreams of exploring the wonders that lie beneath. One day, as Finn explores the depths of the sea, he comes across a giant net floating in the water, trapping all the fish in its tight grip. Determined to free his friends, Finn starts pulling at the net, but his efforts only serve to entangle him further. Suddenly, Tilly, the wise old turtle, emerges from the shadows and advises Finn to seek the help of the other creatures living in the sea.
How was this? Now you tell me. I played more stunning animation at the start of the video. Don't be upset. I will share how can you do it. It was the first step of the animation making. To do a more realistic and stunning animation video, I will create another new story. Click on New Story from here. This time I will use a story generated by ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, I am giving a prompt: write a short story about two friends' adventure in a jungle. Add some conversation between them. The story should be under 200 words. I used 200 words only for the tutorial purpose. Alright, our story is ready. Now come back to Artflow and select I have a story. Now we have to create our character. Our story has two characters, Sarah and Mark. I will create two characters. You can take the help of ChatGPT to create a character outlook. After creating the characters, paste the story on the story box, and then click on the Create Story button from here. Like the first video, select a video style. This time I will select the 3D cartoon style. If you are satisfied with the character outfits, click on Continue to the storyboard. This time we won't export the video now, but I will download the images on my computer. Just press right-click on your mouse and save the image. Download images from every scene. After downloading the images from every scene, I will generate some new images with Artflow. And I will use the narration part of our story as our prompt. Come to the right panel, then open Image Studio on the new tab. Now click on the Create on your first image. Now copy the first paragraph and paste it as the prompt. Now scroll and click on the Add Style button. Now select Cartoon as the style. After all is set, click on the Generate button. In this way, generate images for all of the narration text from our story and download the images on your device. After generating the story, come to the left panel and open Video Studio on a new page. Now click on the New Video from here. This is the video creator page of Artflow. We will create the full video on this page. To start creating the video, click on the Upload button from here and then upload the first narration image generated by Artflow. Now come to the dialogue option from here. Go back to the ChatGPT and copy the first narration paragraph, and then paste it into the Artflow dialog text box. Then click on the audio gallery from here. Now select a voice model for the narration voice. You can add some video effects also. After completing the first scene, click on the plus icon from here to create a new scene. According to our story, our next scene is a dialogue with Sarah. Copy the conversation part only from ChatGPT and then come back to Artflow. Now click on the character button from here and then upload the first image of Sarah. After uploading Sarah's image, Artflow will detect the face. Once it's completed, click on Click to enable speaking animation. Now paste Sarah's dialogue on the dialog box. After that, select a voice model for Sarah. In this way, create all of the scenes according to your story. Give proper time to do it. Don't forget to add effects where needed. And most importantly, choose the perfect voiceover for all of the characters. Alright friends, I have completed my scene creation. Now click on the Export button from here. It will take some time to export the video. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, our video is ready for download. Let's download the video and enjoy it together.
Deep in the heart of the jungle, two friends, Sarah and Mark, embarked on a thrilling adventure. The dense foliage and the cacophonous symphony of wildlife surrounded them.
Mark, can you believe we're here?
I know, it's incredible. Just like the stories we used to read as kids.
As they ventured deeper, they encountered a sparkling waterfall hidden behind curtains of vines. Sarah gasped.
Look at that, Mark.
Mark marveled.
It's like a secret paradise.
Their excitement grew as they stumbled upon ancient ruins. Sarah traced her fingers over the weathered stones and said,
Imagine the people who lived here.
Mark nodded.
It's like stepping back in time.
Suddenly they heard a rustling in the bushes. Fear gripped them.
I think now it's a perfect animation video. You can create more accurate and stunning by giving some extra effects. You can add some extra elements also. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating animation with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!